So our debate topic is the general versus reservation, and my topic is the reservation. So my first point why the reservation is needed, because you all know from the ancient time all the lower caste people was tortured for 2000 years with the hand of the upper caste. That's why they were not having the accessibility of education. When slowly Bhimrao Ambedkar rose up, he has just added the amendment in the constitution through which the reservation has published and through which our 75% of the lower class which are living a hell life is now growing up and trying to be the great and trying to be best. That's my point. Reservation is important because you can see the total population of India. According to the census of 2011, it is 121, and out of which 75% are from the lower class. They are the Dalits, they are the OBCs. OBC it is 53% overall population of India. So reservation is much needed because if you want to grow the India, first of all you need to grow the 75% population obviously. If you will grow only 25% population, then it's not a proper development. So we have to focus on 75% of undeveloped India, and this should also give the chance. So that's why reservation has been published.
So now in the modern era, you can see the development of our government, that they are giving the chance to the lower caste also for growing up.
Yeah, this is the reservation benefit of reservation. They are getting chance. They are getting their reserved
But
seats.
but every person needs the same chance. They not anyone not they,
How
there
need
should
the
be
same
equality.
chance? There is not equality in the development. I have already told that there are only 25% general, 75% lower caste people. And there is equality. 27% are developed, only reading, and 75% are in the
Who had
health.
told that there
It is the
75?
census. Census of 2011 told it that 25% are from the upper and 75% from the lower class. This is not an equality when you see the development. The general caste OBC SC was tortured for the 1000 of the years, 2000 of the year. It was also the
What they were
inequality.
tortured?
They were
What they were
tortured. Untouchability was there. You don't study. Untouchability was
But
there.
after some time, the untouchability had been
After
removed.
born after 2000 years. That's why this is difference. So only 25% are
But
educated.
due to general, the untouchability
Yeah,
had
due to
removed.
general. That's why bad, na. That's
Due
why
to
we are
general, it had removed.
due to general.
It had
हाँ,
removed.
Bhimrao Ambedkar, he was from Dalit, and he has did the amendment of 75 constitutional amendment through which it all was vanished. It was did by one of the Dalits who rose up and tried to improve their line. Okay, that's why.
What you want to tell?
I want to tell, according to the census of 2011, total population is 121 crore, out of which 75% are the backward class and 25% are the lower upper class. So if we want to develop the India overall, then we have to see the 75% population also who was tortured for the thousands of years. They were not having the right to study.
But now they are not being tortured.
They're not being tortured. That's why they are matching the points. There was inequality. Only 75% from the backward class, 25% are educated. So we have to match the position, na? And it is said in constitution that there should be equality between all the things. That's why we
But
are
after
making.
the constitution was written by Bhimrao Ambedkar, the rule was followed that there is equality in India, and now
Yeah,
you
it
can
is
see
the
that
form of
there is
equality.
equality.
How there is equality? Still, you check the fact. Your PSC Pathshala has did one entrance exam of that in which he has not allowed reservation. Only the upper caste people joined that.
Because they know that there
Only
should be
upper
equality.
they have promoted equality. Okay, done. They have promoted.
The government is providing the sufficient
What
things for the lower
What's
caste.
sufficient?
They are
But still you see, na, so they are providing sufficiency. Still in UPSC Pathshala entrance exam, only upper caste rich. Because no one from the lower caste has gone without reservation. That still shows that 75% of undeveloped India is still undeveloped. So reservation should be continued and it should be go for too long. Because still they are
why we
in the
need
health
the
condition.
wait? Why we
And
need the reservation?
And 75% of India are going into hell. So we don't have to be rose up out.
Then the government has taken the action for all of them.
Still, I have shown a fact. UPSC Pathshala is telling that they have conducted the exam, and you can see check the fact also. 81% of the results fit for the medical is still nobody has reached at that stage.
But the lower caste and the general person, both are doing the same thing.
Government has given the reservation, but still 81% of seats are not all are the empty because nobody has reached. So we should continue it now because lower caste not getting even the chance to rose up to study well. It is a competition itself for them to reach at the reserved seat also. They are not getting reserved seat also, and you are citing the reservation. This is what.
Why
This
they
is
need the
nonsensical,
reserved
obviously.
seat? Why they need the reserved seat? Like, why they need?
What they need, because they are tortured from 200 years previously.
But previously they were tortured, not
Now
now.
also they are not getting
Tell me
seat.
a fact. Tell me a person who get tortured.
16% of the IIT seat is the reserved for the SC, ST and the OBC. They are also empty. 81% of medical
Because-
seat empty, because they have
That is their problem that they don't want reservation.
What their problem? They have tried also by being reserved also, they have tried, but they had not reached, which
Because
shows
they
that,
want them their performance.
which shows that they need more reservation, obviously, because
Why
seat are
they need
empty.
more reservation? If the person
if-
is getting same equipment, then why they need more reservation?
Why 75%
General person
are in the
also
hell?
get the coaching and
General person, the richest person, the Jain community, all they come in the
and the
general.
lower caste person also get the coachings and institute.
Coaching, they are still having coaching now. They are not reaching to the seat. It means
That is their problem, not
What
the
is their-
reservation
but the
problem.
government government will tell 75% are going in hell. That's their problem. I don't see.
But in general also there is some
Government have to be just like one parent is there.
wait,
Let me
government,
give you example. So one parent is there. Suppose that parents have two baby, one which cannot walk and one can walk. So government have to be take also. No? In home you do the inequality. Just like you take the baby in the hand and that you give him to play. To do it, same government is doing it. They are from poor class. They need reservation. They need babysitting. That's why they are giving
but
reservation.
they can't able to.
What?
You
By
are telling
being-
that by
listen,
giving
yeah.
reservation,
They-
also
they
the
are
seat
also
is
not-
empty.
yeah.
Also the
Empty,
seat,
yeah.
that is a lower caste problem that they
But
can't.
lower-
That is a lower caste problem that they can't able to educate themselves.
By
for the
being reserved
reservation.
also, reservation give the motivation for the lower class. By being motivated also, they study. But due to the poorness, due to the poverty, they can't reach. So it means reservation should be more. And there should be more free education. Do you understand?
Can you give the example?
Example I shown now, seats are empty. Fact I have given, UPSC Pathshala has conducted an entrance exam in which seat was not getting by the reserved people. And all this, still they are at the lower class.
I am telling that they are getting the reservation, but still the seat is empty. That is their problem that they can't able to educate themselves.
Government has...
Wait, for getting any post, they need to give the exam, entrance exam.
Yeah, they give the
then
exam.
they didn't they pass
And
in the exam,
that's what I'm
and
saying.
still they have reservation, and still they are not passing the exam. That is their problem.
This is, see, once exam is like any person is giving exam, it is based on everything of it. That how is food, how is diet, how is mindset, everything is needed. So they are from poor, how they will get the proper nutrient?
But
Brain cells,
government
you
is
know something.
providing in nowadays.
Providing food